If you said you were doing your nails at home and following this routine, big congratulations. You're on the right track to achieving salon quality results without spending hours or hundreds of dollars. Many people might think this at-home process is too complicated or slow, but trust me, once you get the hang of the quick and easy Apex method, you'll see just how fast and efficient it is. The best part? You'll get perfect curves and long-lasting durability, just like you would in a salon. Here's the deal, whether you're using powder or gel, it's all about layering the product properly. Once you understand how the layers work together, you'll naturally find a method that suits you best. The Apex technique is all about applying your product in a single stroke down the center and gradually building up the apex. This process allows the liquid and powder to naturally expand and form a smooth, self-leveling curve similar to how hard gel enhancements are applied in a salon. What's the most tricky part? Your thumb and pinky. They require more skill because of their size and shape. But with practice, you'll nail it, especially if you're extra careful cleaning the sidewalls and cuticle areas. Trust me, taking that extra step will make all the difference. So before you book that salon appointment and spend hundreds of dollars and hours of your time, give this method a try. You'll get the same professional results with far less effort and cost. Ready to start? Let's go.